But what about instead of having specific commands for outputs and inputs, what about if I went to common all and I used that parameter support? So you say, Jonathan, I understand your command structure is SPO XX SIYY, where your output is the XX and your input is the YY. We call this command variable switching. So it looks like this, right? Now, if only there were a way to just leave that as fill in the blanks. There are. We talk about it in the C2 Part 3 video. It is called a parameter. And again, as a quick review, if I go to Key Digital, to the Compass Control section, we have tech guides and videos. And here we have our library parameters. So XX and YY. This is a way that I could tell my software we have a fill in the blank here, and what format is it? Percentage means we have a fill in the blank here. D means integer, whole numbers. Any value from 0 to 65,536. %S, percent means we have a fill in the blank. S means string, any string value, all ASCII characters, that's letters and numbers, symbols, etc. Floating is numbers with decimal places. How many decimal places? 2 to the 16th power. Boolean, %B, 1 or 0 for true or false respectively. %X for hex, and in fact we do the automatic conversions from integer to hex for you. And then %C to fill in a checksum. So we're not only going to have %D because we have whole numbers, output 01, output 02. We in fact need to specify our pad, %02D. Why? Because it's always two integers in length, 00 through 99. It's not output 1, it's output 01. So again, if you'd like to find out more about this, we talk about it in more length in the RS-232 Manager video, C2 Part 3. So I'm going to go here, and XX is not XX, it gets replaced with a percentage. 2 characters long, because it's 00 through 08, and D, letting our software know it's a whole number.